Hi, this is Dave, and today we're going to try SuperClean's All Wheel Cleaner to clean the wheels on our car. This was provided by SuperClean. We're going to test it out and see how it works. So the first step is the car here. We have to make the wheel wet. So we just apply a little water to it. Spray on the foaming tire cleaner. Try and get all the little corners and everything of the wheel. And let it set for 30 seconds. Now that it's set for 30 seconds, we're going to take a sponge. Let's wet a little bit with water. We're going to wipe to clean off all the brake dust and the road grime off the wheel. Just to break everything loose. A brush would also work good for this. And now that we've wiped it off, we just rinse it. Worked really good. It broke it up pretty clean. There's some spots that I have to come back through and clean up with a little brush because the sponge didn't reach in there too well, but overall, it worked really good. I highly recommend this SuperClean All Wheel Cleaner. It worked good. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe and share it with your friends.